Hey, what is up everyone? Today I want to go over some issues I ran into while using the Razer Ripsaw USB 3.0 capture card. After doing some patches on the Windows side and upgrading to OBS version 23, I had an issue where the capture within the OBS was flickering and having issues. Please leave a like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. If you are still having issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. A few days ago, OBS version 23 was released, and I wanted to do a few tests as I'll be starting to focus more on making videos and Twitch live streaming. While running a few tests, I found out that the Ripsaw capture card was having issues when attempting to see the live preview. I made sure all the settings were correct, and that did not help at all. I even swapped out the hard drive with an SSD drive on my laptop just to test out and see if the problem was still occurring. And after the hard drive was swapped, it did not fix the issue. I tested this on my regular computer that is using a PCI Express Elgato capture card, but it was not having an issue, so I'm not sure if that is related to a laptop only patch, or I'm not really sure, but I was unable to pinpoint the exact cause for this problem, but I hope it fixes the issue for you. As you can see in the video, the capture card preview is flickering for some reason, even if all the drives are up to date. After reformatting the entire drive and reinstalling a new operating system, I was still having issues. This was done after applying all the Windows 10 patches. Finally, I thought, why not give it a try without installing any patches on Windows 10. Surprisingly, this has fixed the problem for me. I am not sure why Windows 10 updates will cause this problem, but it was the fix after all. I hope this gets patched by either Microsoft, or I am not even sure if it's an OBS issue, since it works on OBS version 23 without any Windows patches. So if you're having this problem, make sure you back up all your files before reformatting your PC and trying this fix. It worked for me, so I hope it works for you as well. Let me know in the comments below if you find a different fix for this problem. Thanks for watching this video, and please leave a like and subscribe to help support this channel.